G'day everybody, hope you're going well, enjoying the challenge. Got some lovely feedback yesterday about the wealth of wisdom that's available in the challenge. So if you're just working your way through it, just keep going at your own pace. Obviously you can access each day in sequence below, and just pop it in. Let me know how you're going with the challenge. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to share, I'm actually here now. My intention is to be on at midday each day, and we changed the challenge to releasing the videos in the morning so you can watch them and then be up to date if you want to be really on the ball each day. Obviously, this challenge is a lead in to the 2026 by Design workshop on Sunday. So that's 3 days away. So love to have you with us. If you haven't registered for that yet, just jump in. You'll find a link in the thread below. We're on day 15 today. It's handy. The challenge days are the same as the days of the month. I love answering questions and sharing my perspective on heart-centered living and being our own best friend, being at our best. And yeah, just another plug for our 2026 by Design workshop on Sunday. I'd love to have you come and join us, set your year up for a fabulous year. We're going to do heart centering, we're going to do a heart visioning exercise, a heart clearing exercise, and a heart manifesting breathwork session. So there's 4 breathwork sessions on the day. You'll learn some great skills about becoming more self-aware. So you can listen to the recording to this, obviously. In fact, if you're seeing it, you are listening to a recording of it. So I hope you're having a great time and love to catch up. One of the things I discovered doing this work was who I am versus what I thought. Really knowing what your heart's desires, what I wanted, really knowing your heart's desires is and who you are living from. Yeah, we do get to connect to not just what we think we want, but what we really feel that we want at the deepest level, beyond emotion, into our heart intelligence. And when you connect to those heart aspirations, I like to call them, rather than goals, they are expressions of a deepest part of who you are. And those aspirations are very congruent. They're very aligned with your essence and your natural expression. And so when it comes to achieving those or working towards achieving those, it's easy because it's what you'd love to do. It's an expression of who you are, and it's going to lead you to living the life that you're here to live, being of service to people, to humanity, by being yourself, showing up fully. The first year we ran this, I think it was the year of the lockdown, the COVID breakout, and so the year turned out really differently to what everybody was expecting, but it actually seeded the core clearing breathwork coach training that's now gone all around the world, and putting that out as a beautiful transformational healing process that we now teach to people all around the world and bringing the love and light in. I'm doing my best to be in here around midday each day. It's quite a nice wild day today, and I hope you're doing something creative too, and love to see you on Sunday. Take care.